Reliance recently announced that it crossed 100 million users on its Jio network. So probably you have a Jio SIM running in your phone right now that gives you internet, free calls and messages. But come March 31, these services will not be free. So let us take a look at what all Reliance announced at the conference and how the plans and their prices work out. Prime membership, you'll be able to avail benefits that you're availing right now with several packs that Jio has laid out on its website. To get the Jio membership, you need to recharge with ₹99. You can get the recharge done at your nearest retailer, or you can log into jio.com, and you can also do it from MyJio and Jio Money apps. If you don't get the recharge done before March 31st, you will not be able to avail the Jio Prime membership. Now let's take a look at what happens if we don't take a Prime membership. So to get the best value for money, you need to purchase the Rs 303 pack that gives you 28 days of validity and 28 GB of data. That is 1 GB of data every day. If you need to get similar amount of data for 28 days, you'll get it for Rs 1999 if you don't have a Prime membership. That is more than 5 times the price of what you get with the Prime membership. So there is no reason why you should not purchase the Prime membership if you want to continue with the Jio network. Now let's take a look at some of the packs Jio is offering. You get a 19 rupee pack for 1 day validity that gives you 200 MB of data. There's a 96 rupee pack that gives you 7 days validity and gives you 7 GB of data. There's Rupee 149 pack that gives you 28 days and 2 GB of data. And there's of course the 303 pack and the 499 pack that gives you 28 days for 58 GB data. Now if you purchase Rs 999 pack, for example, that gives you 60 days of validity, you get 60 GB of data. But this doesn't really make sense because you can purchase Rs 303 pack twice for Rs 606 and add a Rs 96 pack to it that gives you 63 GB of data in total and costs you Rs 700. So if you plan to continue with the Jio network even after the free Happy New Year offer ends on March 31, there are 2 things you need to do. First, you need to get yourself a Prime membership that will cost Rs 99 as we said, and you need to get it before March 31. And second, you need to stick with the Rs 303 plan if you need to use the unlimited data.